So now that we've done our palmas, now let's go over our hands and upper body position. So our arms are always going to be rounded, so you don't ever want to keep them straight. And when I say rounded, it's kind of like you're holding a beach ball. You're always holding a beach ball. And when you bring your arms up, rounded, and kind of in front, okay? So when your arms are out and up, you want to keep them kind of on top of your shoulder blades. So you're relaxing your shoulders and your upper back is engaged to keep your arms up so you don't fatigue, right? So that would be the arm positions of like down here, out, and up. Now the hands, the movement, it comes from the wrist. So if you don't have much flexibility or mobility in the wrist, it'll be something to work towards, right? So you want to just start off by holding onto your forearm and making circles with the wrist. And you can see that how the movement is going to go. And now with the hands, the first one is you're going to go with start off with the pinky, with your arms rounded, and go in and around and open and flip. In, around, open and flip, and in, around and open. Now here you want to make sure that the arms are still, so you're not moving your arms as you move your hands, and you want to control it and really try to get that wrist to bend, and then open. And now you can go in the other direction, same thing, starting with the pinky and open and flip and pinky, open and flip. And then we can go back and forth. We can go in, 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in, 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now shake it out. Now, anytime that you're just working on your arms, you can have your feet one foot in front of the other, and that will support that lower back. So you don't want to stick your butt out. You want to keep the abs engaged and to support yourself and just kind of keep your lower body strong and engaged to support that upper body as well. All right, so we're going to just do a little bit of drills of going in and out, and we're going to bring our arms up slowly. So in and out. Okay, I'll put on some solo compás, and we will go super slow, and then we'll speed up the hand movements as well. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to start off with our palmas first. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1. We'll do 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and close it. So in, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and out. 3, 4, 5, 6, and in. 4, 5, 6, 7, and out. 3, 4, 6, 7, and in. 4, 5, 6, 7, and out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and out. 3, 4, 5, and arms up. In. 5, 6, 7, and out. And in. 4, 5, 6, 7, and out. Okay, shake it out. And we're going to try it again. We're going to go faster. So we'll do it in counts of 4s. Almost there. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. And then we'll go back to palmas. Here we go. And 1. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to close it. And ba, ba, ba. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, and out, and in, and out. Arms up, in, out, in, out, in, out, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 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 and out, and in, and out, and in, and out, and in, and out. Good. Shake it out.